Hey everybody, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a polynomial and we have to write it in the factorized form. So this is a very simple question. So the polynomial is 8x cubed y square plus 10y square. Now this is term number 1 and this is term number 2. Now from both these terms, if we observe carefully, then we can see that 2y square is common in both the terms. So let's take out 2y square from both the terms. So 2y square multiplied by, so if we divide the first term by 2y square, so we will have 4x cube, and if we divide the second term by 2y square, then we will have 5. So our final polynomial in factored form will be 2y square multiplied by 4x cube plus 5. We can't simplify it further because this is the last step which we can achieve. So that's it. Thank you.